So what we want to do is to make sure that we go after the a good quality keywords and the high volume keywords as well. But don't ignore the low volume, because that's where a lot of advertisers don't go after and are leaving a lot of cash on the table. So if they're not bidding after a low volume or long tail keywords, they may be very profitable for you. So I would highly recommend that you go through these very carefully. So what we want to do is to group them in such a way that we separate these out, you know, the life insurance to, let's say, mortgage protection, to critical illness. So these are all different keywords. Funeral insurance is different to life insurance. So I can easily, let me go back to my other sheet where I had sorted these out. In fact, I'll copy these ones because I sorted them out by volume. Okay. And now I can see that if you don't do any of these life insurance, then you can put them as negative. So first thing I would do is pet, car, bike. So these are all very generic ones, right? Business, any other type of insurance which you can think of, you put them in as you start making your negative list. If you aren't doing funeral, then you can put those in. So this will save a huge amount of money straight up. You won't waste any, and you can start putting these up in your account. Or any brands which you don't do. Let's say you're not doing Sun Life life cover, then you put in Sun Life. If you are not the cheapest, but most people are buying insurance on price, so I wouldn't recommend that you put cheapest as your negative keyword, but I'm just giving you as an example. If you don't do, let's say, critical illness, but most life insurance policies do come with this, so I will keep that. If you don't do over 50 insurance, so now you can see that you are starting to get some really good keywords just by going through these search terms, and I'm going to save a fair amount of money just by putting them up as negative keywords. You see there you go. Car, smokers, it could be another one where you only offer insurance for non-smokers. So you need to go through your go through this with your client and see what they do and what they don't do. Now, most clients won't have the time or the patience to go through this. So my advice would be to go to their website and read through their web page about the life insurance as to what they offer. All right, so let's go back in here. So I'm going to put in, so what I want to do is to make sure that, okay, life insurance is fine, but I want to group them in such a way so that I have very specific terms in my ad group. So let's say mortgage protection insurance. So first of all, if I go life insurance, mortgage protection, so I tend to normally go with 2 or 3 words. Now when you enter any of these keywords from here onto this pink row, the Google Sheet is going to scan column A and put in all the keywords which has got life insurance. Now, why isn't that doing? I think I know why. I put in protections, so this should work. That's right. Okay. So I've got a very long list of keywords for my life insurance ad group. But the good thing about this is, even if I write maybe 2 or 3 ads, all of these keywords would be relevant to my ads, because each one of these words, life insurance, in any order they are on that word, it will be here, life insurance. So your quality score will be really good, relevancy very good, so you will get a great quality score sorting out your ads like this. What you can do is you can break this down further by not just going after life insurance. So let's say I want to put in by brand, or let's say affordable. I would do it like this. Let's say cheap life insurance, see if we get any or not. Cheapest, yeah. The cheap or cheapest depends on how many keywords I've got. It does take a bit of time. You'll see it's working on the right hand side, and okay, that's only one, so I won't go after this one, but cheap life insurance is good. So I probably put my headline one as cheap life insurance or cheapest life insurance, and so on. Let's say if I do critical illness cover, so that's a completely different set of keywords to life insurance, although it's something similar, but people are specifically searching for these words. So I want my ad to say and talk about critical illness cover and not life insurance.